Hello everyone, I hope you people are doing well at home. So in our previous video, we discussed why do leaves differ from each other and हमने ये भी डिस्कस किया था कि कौन से वो फैक्टर्स होते हैं जिनकी वजह से ये लीफ डाइवर्सिटी हमें देखने को मिलती है, right? Now in today's video, we will talk about the different uses of a leaf. So let's get started. Plant leaves play an important role in our daily life and we put them to many uses. So, we will discuss all these uses one by one. So, the first use is people used to write on some types of leaves in olden days. This means that in olden days, बहुत पहले के टाइम में जब पेपर नहीं हुआ करता था, जब पेपर का इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ था, जब पेपर की खोज नहीं हुई थी, सो उस ज़माने में लोग कहाँ लिखा करते थे? लोग एक खास तरह के लीव्स के ऊपर अपने थॉट्स, अपने आइडियाज़ को लिखा करते थे. Here in this picture, you can see that palm leaves were used as writing materials in olden days. Now let us discuss about the second use of a leaf. Some leaves have a medicinal value. Medicinal value का क्या मतलब होता है? This means that कुछ leaves, कुछ खास तरह के leaves को हम दवाई की तरह भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं और इसका बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल क्या है? That is basil या जिसे हम तुलसी प्लांट भी कहते हैं. So leaves of this basil or tulsi plant are used to cure common cold. Apart from these medicinal purposes, there are other leaves like that of a neem tree. So neem leaves are used to protect clothes and other items from insects. Also, have you ever seen your mother put basil leaves in the tea, especially when someone has cold or fever? क्या आपने कभी अपनी मदर को तुलसी के लीव्स डाल करके चाय बनाते हुए देखा है? खास तौर से तब जब किसी को कोल्ड यानी कि जुकाम या बुखार हो. Now I think you would understand why she does that. There are some leaves which are added to give aroma or flavor to the food. Apart from the flavor, खाने का स्वाद बढ़ाने के लिए, उसकी खुशबू बढ़ाने के अलावा, there are some leaves of some specific plants which are used to make the food look nice and attractive. और फूड को डेकोरेट करने को हम कहते हैं गार्निशिंग. Some examples of such type of leaves are given here. The first one is of coriander, which is also known as dhania. The second one is of curry leaves. And the third example is of mint, which is also known as pudina. In southern parts of India, banana leaves are often used as food plates. Do you know why? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Yes, it is because of their big size. You can see here in this picture that a number of food items are served on a single banana leaf. We also eat the leaves of many plants as vegetables. Some of the examples are given here, that is spinach, cabbage, mustard or fenugreek, which is also known as methi. These are examples of some leaves which are also eaten as vegetables. You might have seen your mother making beautiful designs on her palms. But क्या आपने कभी सोचा है ये पेस्ट किस चीज़ का बना होता है? Yes, you guessed it right. this paste is made of henna or mehendi leaves. So these leaves are crushed to form a paste, and this paste is used to make these beautiful designs. So the leaves of henna or mehendi plant are used to color hair and palms. लीव्स हमारी डेली लाइफ का एक पार्ट बन चुके हैं, एंड दैट टू बहुत अलग अलग तरीक़ों से, इन वेरी डिफरेंट वेज. We often see pictures and drawings of leaves at many places. These leaf patterns or leaf designs are usually found on paintings, pots, and different types of textiles. Here you can see pictures of a sari which is having a leaf design on it. The next picture shows a curtain which has a leaf design printed on it. And thirdly, you can see the example of rangoli which is made from leaves. All these leaf patterns look beautiful and attractive. So this was all for today. आज हमने सीखा about the different uses of a leaf. Now in the next class we will learn about the shedding of leaves. Your homework for today is read the topic in the images that I will be sending to you.